Welcome to the Variance Analysis tutorial. The variance analysis is a database-driven, configurable system that enables users to view variance data in a structured and customizable format. Insert a row in the variance config table and provide all the required details as mentioned in the slide. If you want to include global charts, then specify the chart IDs in a comma-separated format. In the variance config to user group table, you need to map user groups to the variance dashboard. A single dashboard can be mapped to multiple user groups. The variance dashboard requires multiple columns for selection. The number of selector columns should be equal to the number of records inserted into the variance column table. It determines column ordering using sequence number and maps columns to existing feed data using feed ID and column ID. The variance query table stores SQL queries used to fetch data for the dashboard. It defines how the data is retrieved. The query text is the main query and is mandatory. The first 5 columns must represent the grouping fields, and the remaining columns represent the data values. The variance query is optional and is used for aggregated results, such as totals. It must follow the same structure as the query_text. This is a sample dataset representing 5 levels of category hierarchy. Each category contains multiple subcategories at the next level. Category levels 1 through 4 represent the hierarchical levels, while category level 5 is captured in the comment. The period field represents the month-based selection criteria used during data selection. For example, here is query format. The first 5 columns are fixed and used for grouping, and the remaining columns are data fields that are displayed in the variance table. The variance dynamic chart query table defines dynamic chart configurations for the dashboard. It stores chart details along with the SQL query used to generate the chart. Each query must return x-axis, y-axis, and series to properly render the chart. To view the variance report, go to Reports, Variance Dashboard, select the variance report. From the drop-down, select the months for which you want to compare the variance. In the slide, choose Month 1, Month 2, and Category, and then fetch the data. After fetching the data, you will see the desired results, including tables, dynamic charts, and global charts.